In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate monday.com with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your monday.com homepage. Once you're in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or if you prefer, your initials. Go ahead and click on that. After you click on your profile, a menu will drop down. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Automations option. Click on that, and it will take you to another page where you can see various options. Look for the Integrations tab and click on it. This step's crucial because we're going to connect your monday.com account with Slack, making your workflow more efficient. Now that you're on the Integrations page, it's time to find Slack. Scroll through the list of available apps until you find Slack. It should be there, and it's pretty easy to spot. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Slack. You're making great progress. Next, you'll have the opportunity to choose a template. This is where it gets exciting because monday.com has pre-built workflow templates that can make your life a lot easier. For instance, you can select a template that automatically sends a message to a Slack channel whenever a new task is created. Browse through the options and pick one that best fits your workflow. After selecting the template, it's time to connect your specific monday.com board and your Slack account. Click on Use Template. Here, you will be prompted to choose which board on monday.com you want to connect with Slack. Take a moment to select the right one for your needs. Once you've chosen your board, the next step is to authorize monday.com to connect to your Slack account. This involves granting the necessary permissions, so be sure to follow any prompts that appear to allow this integration to happen smoothly. And there you go. Once the setup is complete, notifications will start appearing in your designated Slack channel, and this will happen based on the triggers you've selected. This means you won't have to rely on checking monday.com for updates constantly. Instead, you'll get timely notifications right in Slack, keeping everything in sync. But don't worry if you realize later that you want to customize, tweak, or even disable any of these notifications or settings. You can easily do that anytime by heading back to the monday.com integrations page. Just follow the same steps and make any adjustments as needed. Using monday.com and Slack together can truly streamline your workflow and enhance team communication, making your projects run more smoothly. So give it a try and see how it can improve your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe for more tips like this.